Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Start with the great name of Allah who is most kind and merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakat, my friends. Today I will tell you in this video that which habits Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him told about crow. That habit should follow us. Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him said, learn 3 habits from crow. First habit, sexual copulation with your wife should be in hindsight. Second habit, find your livelihood in the early morning. Third habit, save yourself from enemies. These are 3 habits of crow we should learn, and these are habits said by Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him. Thank you guys. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.